A very fresh morning to all my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Students, we have learned earlier about perimeter and area. Today, we are going to quickly review what we have learned earlier. So, let us revise the concepts learned earlier. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 6 meters. Students, in this question, we have to find out the perimeter of a regular pentagon. And we know that perimeter of regular pentagon equals to 5 multiplied by side. So, let us find out the perimeter of a regular pentagon. Perimeter of regular pentagon equals to 5 into side, which is equals to 5 into 6, which is equals to 30. Thus, perimeter of regular pentagon is 30 meters. Now, question number 2. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. Students, in this question, we have to find out the side of a square. And we know that in order to find out side of a square when perimeter is given, we have to divide perimeter by number of sides of a square. So, let us find out side of a square. Thus, side of a square equals to perimeter divided by 4, which is equals to 40 divided by 4. Now, dividing 40 by 4, we get 10. Thus, side of a square is 10 meters. Now, question number 3. Find the area of a square whose side is 8 centimeters. Students, in this question, we have to find out area of a square. And we know that area of a square equals to side into side. So, let us find out the area of a square. Thus, area of a square equals to side into side, which is equals to 8 into 8. Now, multiplying 8 by 8, we get 64. Thus, area of a square equals to 64 square centimeters. Now, question number 4. The area of a rectangular room is 90 square meters and breadth is 9 meters. Find the length of the room. Students, in this question, we have to find out length of a rectangular room, and we know that in order to find out length of a rectangle when area and breadth are given. We have to divide area by breadth. So, let us find out the length of the room after writing the necessary details given to us. Breadth is given 9 meters. Area is given 90 square meters. Therefore, length equals to how much? Thus, length equals to area divided by breadth, which is equals to 90 by 9. Now, dividing 90 by 9, we get 10. Thus, the length of a rectangular room is 10 meters. Now, question number 5. A room is 7 meters long and 5 meters wide. A square carpet of side 4 meters is laid on the floor of the room. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Students, in this question, we have to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. And we know that in order to find out the area of floor that is not carpeted, we have to first find the area of a rectangular room and area of square carpet. Then we have to subtract area of square carpet from area of rectangular room which we obtained in order to find out area of floor which is not carpeted. So now let us solve question number 5 after writing the necessary details given to us. Length of a rectangular room is given 7 meters. Breadth of a rectangular room is given 5 meters. Side of a square carpet is given 4 meters. Thus, area of a rectangular floor equals to length into breadth, which is equals to 7 into 5, which is equals to 35. Thus, area of a rectangular room is 35 square meters. Now, let us find out area of a square carpet. Thus, area of a square carpet equals to side into side, which is equals to 4 into 4, which is equals to 16. Thus, area of a square carpet is 16 square meters. Now, let us find out area of floor which is not carpeted. Thus, area of floor which is not carpeted equals to area of floor minus area of carpet which is equals to 35 minus 16. Now subtracting 16 from 35 we get 19. Thus area of the floor which is not carpeted is 19 square meters. Now question number 6. Every morning Rehan and Mohammed go for jogging. Rehan runs around a square part of side 200 meter while Mohammed runs around a rectangular part of length 150 meters and breadth 100 meters. Who covers more distance and by how much? Students, in this question, we have to find who covers more distance, either Rehan or Muhammad. And we know that in order to find out who covers more distance, we have to find perimeter of a square part where Rehan runs and perimeter of a rectangular part where Muhammad runs. Then we have to compare the perimeters and we have to conclude the answer. Also, we have to find out the difference of their perimeters. So now, let us solve question number 6. Perimeter of a square part equals to 4 into side which is equals to 4 into 200 which is equals to 800. Thus, the distance covered by Rehan is 800 meters. Now, let us find out perimeter of a rectangular part. Thus, perimeter of a rectangular part equals to 2 into length plus breadth which is equals to 2 into 150 plus 100. Now solving the bracket and keeping 2 as it is, we get 2 into 250. Now multiplying 250 by 2, we get 500. Thus, the distance covered by Muhammad is 500 meters. Students, since 800 is greater than 500, so we can say that Rehan covers more distance than Muhammad by 300 meters.